is up, y'all? It's your girl Kelly, and this is my very first prank on Kevin. Like, I mean, I don't even know. I guess this is a prank, but let me tell y'all what kind of girl I am. I just had Kevin help me with my prank on him, and he don't even know it. So what I'm gonna do is, I just said, well, we at his house and we're getting ready to go soon, so he's getting in the shower now, and I just ate some hot chips, so I was like, baby, y'all have some ice so I can get some cold water. I said, y'all don't have no big cup? And he said, well, we got this one. So I was like, cause I'm thirsty. Like, them hot chips, like, I don't like the taste it left in my mouth. Well, I said, cause you know I just had some hot chips. He said, what, they too hot? I'm like, they're not that hot, but I don't like the taste it left in my mouth, so I just need some water. So we got this cold glass, this cold cup of water. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour it right into his shower. I think I'm gonna grab, no, I'm not gonna grab another cup. I'm not gonna be greedy because I don't have my tripod, so I have to hold my phone. So I'm going to, I'm just going to the bathroom and sit down, talk to him while he's in the shower. That's what I'm gonna go in there. Okay, wait, let me get this right. Let me figure out what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go in there, I'm gonna talk to him, and I'm gonna say, hold on, babe, I'll be right back. Let me go get me some more water. Or let me go take another sip of my water, because I don't want to bring it in here. Bam, we got him. Because when I go back in there, he ain't gonna expect me to have my water with me. But I'm literally, I'm not drinking his water. This is all for him. Like, I'm such a sweet girlfriend. This is for him. But yeah, so he's in there doing other stuff. He's in there taking a seat right now. So when he's done, when he actually gets in the shower, that's when it's gonna start. That's when I'm gonna let y'all know. So I'll be right back. This is an update. I had to pour the water, well, explanation and update. I had to pour the water before he got in the shower, so it won't kind of ruin it that I'm running water once his shower starts to get cold or hot. I don't know, but I didn't want to ruin it, so I had to ask him before he got in the shower. So I got the water ready, just put it in the freezer, so it's not gonna get warm, it's gonna get colder. But yeah, so yeah, hope this turns out really, really bad for him and good for me. Okay, so he just got in the shower. I'm taking my water, taking it. I'm gonna sit it outside the bathroom because I don't know how short his shower is gonna be. So I'm gonna sit it right there. I'm gonna go in there, talk to him. I'm gonna run out, and then, yeah. I'm finna run out and get my phone real quick, okay?
All right, go ahead. Hurry up. You want to put it in thing to take?
Back, boo.
What? Girl! What the hell is wrong with you? You might as well should have flushed and washed your hands. What the fuck? I should beat your ass. I should get out and beat your ass.
Oh, say hey to our YouTube channel.
You fucked up. Fuck this YouTube shit. I quit.
You quit YouTube?
I quit. What the fuck?
Oh
with you?
That might not be funny to nobody else, but you are hilarious.
So that mean prank war started?
Yes, it has.
Alright, say less.
Who? K Nasty. Let me pause this music for they flag us. Do you know I've been leading up to that?
And I done got to the motherfucking cup.
Yes, you did. And I just got it out the freezer.
Get the fuck out of it. That's why it's so cold. I'm like, our water ain't that damn cold now. What the hell? I should fuck you up.
Well, can you show your face so that you can tell them how you feel? I mean, you're probably back warm again.
I'm gonna fuck her up.
You
That's
got
what's
soap
gonna
on
happen.
your face.
I'm washing my face.
Did I at least help rinse the water off?
Yeah. I wasn't done lathering up though. Goddamn.
Okay, I think that was a pretty good one. I know I got him good because he just told me don't flush the toilet or wash my hands. So it won't get too hot or too cold. So let me know what else I can do to make him feel like that. Okay, we gonna see y'all soon. Is that right, boo?
Nope. I quit.
You quit. Well, I'm gonna prank him again whenever I find something good. Okay, bye you guys. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and share this video with everybody that you know. And we will see you next time.